Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes with a food fusion twist. We'll explore simple ways to transform your breakfast by incorporating unexpected flavors and ingredients from around the world. Get ready to elevate your pancake game beyond the ordinary. This guide will help you create truly unique and delicious morning meals that will impress everyone. Let's dive into some creative flavor pairings. Think about incorporating ingredients like matcha powder for an earthy, slightly bitter note, or adding a hint of cardamom and orange zest for a warm, aromatic experience. You could also go savory with ingredients such as finely chopped herbs and a touch of smoked paprika. The key is to balance the new flavors with the classic pancake base. Mastering the technique for fusion pancakes involves a few simple adjustments. If you're adding dry ingredients like spices or finely ground nuts, whisk them directly into your dry mix. For wet additions, such as purees or extracts, incorporate them with your wet ingredients. Remember to avoid overmixing the batter, which can lead to tough pancakes. Cook them on a griddle at medium heat until golden brown. Finally, let's talk about presentation and serving your amazing fusion pancakes. Think about garnishes that complement your chosen flavors, like a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an Asian-inspired pancake, or a dollop of coconut cream for a tropical one. A beautiful stack, perhaps with a contrasting drizzle of syrup or a dusting of powdered sugar, makes them even more appealing. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.